In this video, I will show you how to fix a problem with your Hisense TV in case the LED light right in the center of your TV is flashing non-stop and the TV does not turn on. I actually had this exact problem just yesterday, and I just now managed to fix it. So I decided to record this video to help you fix it as well. I tried a couple of different methods, and I'm pretty sure that none of them worked, except for one which I'm confident will fix your problem too. Before we start, I would kindly ask you to like this video and subscribe to support our channel. It is strongly appreciated. Now let's start fixing the problem. First of all, we need to unplug our TV from the wall outlet or the power socket it was plugged into. Once it's unplugged, you will need to locate the physical power button on your TV. This button can either be on the right side of the TV or directly behind the LED sensor in the middle. It depends on the model of your Hisense TV. Once you have located the button, I want you to press and hold it for 30 seconds. Even though your TV is disconnected from the wall, this process can still trigger the needed reset if the problem was caused by a simple software error. So just keep holding the button for 30 full seconds. After 30 seconds have passed, plug the TV back into the wall socket and see if it turns on. If it still does not work, I would also advise you to try using a different power socket, because the problem might be with the socket itself in your house. However, if you have already tried this and it still doesn't work, then I have some bad news for you. Your TV is likely out of order. Unfortunately, even though Hisense TVs are pretty reliable and good, these types of issues can happen after roughly 3 years of daily use. If that's your case, then I would strongly advise you to contact the manufacturer for further assistance.